The others are just the support act. So why do they dance when they have no prospect of mating? They have no choice. A female will not mate with a lone dancer. So every male must join a group and wait his turn. It may take as long as 10 years to become top bird. And in that time, a male will have danced thousands of exhausting hours. The alpha male calls an end to the display. The others bow, and he goes to the mating perch. Breeding when they are only 1 year old. They need to, for very few nesting attempts are successful.